Hello and welcome to another episode of Practical IT. In this episode, we're going to take a look at GTK stress testing. We'll install it with Flatpak, and we are going to kick off a session on this machine that I bought used off eBay. And the reason I want to do this is just because I bought it used off eBay, I want to stress test it a little bit and see how it's going to perform. So let's get started and kick things off. So from FlatHub, you can install GTK stress testing either by clicking the install button here, or if you come down to the bottom of the page, it actually tells you how to install it from the command line. Since I mostly do command line stuff, I'm going to shake things up a little bit and we're going to just click the install button. And that's going to kick things off here, and it actually hits the software install that we installed on this system in the previous video. So we'll go ahead and say OK, and it should do something here shortly. Well, it was supposed to do something here. Let's see if it's actually done anything. Nothing for GST, nothing for GTK. So let's go back to our browser and see if we get anything going this way. So we're going to skip the installer by using the button in the browser. We're going to jump to the command line, and we're going to copy our text here and insert it. Install, yes, yes. And I will speed this up so that we get through this installation here fairly quick. Alrighty, we've got this installed, and it says warning, org free desktop platform open H.264 not installed. We're going to run with this regardless, and we're going to paste in the command to run this, but I am going to copy this so that we can revisit. But let's go ahead and run this and kick off the program. Okay, so we've got a bunch of things here. It even gives us the revision of the BIOS. It is an older machine. Its date on the BIOS is 2011. But for the low price that I paid for this, I can't complain, and for running Ubuntu, it is working just fine at the moment. Alright, so let's go ahead and start the stress test. I'm going to let this run for a while, and then we will come back with the results and wrap the video up. I'll see you in a few minutes. And that, my friends, brings us to the end of another Practical IT video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and feel free to leave comments down below. I do read every one of those comments. I thank you once again for watching. Have a great day.